Not everything needs to be huge. Today I'm going to put a stubby antenna on a 2021 Ford Bronco. And this is the antenna I'm going to replace it with. It's a universal antenna, 2.5 inches with 3 different adapters. First off, I'm going to prep the antenna. I'm just going to add some silicone compound to the screw thread because I don't want it to corrode or anything over time and get jammed in here. Just get a little bit on there, rub it around, just to make sure. And just screw it in to the base of the antenna. You're going to unscrew the original antenna. That's quick and easy to remove. And then simply screw in your new one. There you go. Gets rid of that massive antenna. Nice subtle 2.5 inch antenna. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give us a like, maybe subscribe. Till next time.